guys, you guys might can't see this, but look at what Thanos is doing. He's really laying on me. Well, anyways, that's not just an announcement. That's not just for the video. We have some big news. So, Thanos is 11 months, and next month he's gonna not be a puppy anymore. He's gonna be a doggy. It's gonna be his birthday. It's gonna be his birthday. So, I'll be making a video on August 9th saying happy birthday to Thanos. And when I make that video, please comment happy birthday to Thanos. Anyways, guys, that's the announcement for the video. But why is Thanos doing this? Well, I'm a dog bed now. Anyways, guys, please like and subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you next time for a short good